Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video we're at our animated videos tool and we're going to be seeing how to work with cameras. So the camera option would be if you want to zoom in on anything on your screen. So for this example I'm just going to zoom in on this dog of the lady over here. So to start we're going to show camera on the bottom left over here, and as you guys can see it has a little start point right here, and this start point is where the zoom is going to start happening. We're just going to go to the 3-second mark and we're going to add another point just like so. If you double click on it, and then the camera is going to show like this. You see this green thing and the green layout over here. You can just drag it down and we're going to drag it towards the dog. Drag it down like this. We're going to delete this over here and boom, is there. It's set. If I want to, I can just put the cursor over here and edit it like so if I want it like smaller. But once I'm satisfied, I can just scroll this back so you guys can see that it actually zooms out. We're just going to play from the beginning so you guys can see it right there. And for this option I'm going to export my video so you guys can see how it would look like. But this is basically how you guys use the camera and zoom in on an object. And to export it, we're going to click on export your video, quality good, FPS 24, and start encoding. And once it's encoded, we're going to press play and it will zoom in on our dog, as you guys can see. We can also upload to Facebook, YouTube, or also download it as an MP4. But this is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.